We don't chase charts, we build, ship, don't shill. Less hype, more infrastructure. QB is focused on creating real tools, real data, and real platforms for builders who care about long-term value over short-term noise.
What's going on, YouTube? You're here today because you are looking and searching for Solana crypto WordPress plugins. Now, if you've been searching on the WordPress repository and just all around the web, yeah, you've probably found a few crypto plugins, but they're mainly for like Bitcoin and CoinGecko and showing like basically the coins that are on Coinbase. And then there's just not a lot of really crypto plugins and widgets and stuff out there. Like there's a few, but not that many. And the ones that we do have are just, they're good. There's a couple of good ones now, don't get me wrong. But there's none that are just focused really around Solana and meme coins. So me, I love, I'm a web developer. I love using WordPress. I use a lot of code snippets and and write code and insert it in WordPress. But then, when you're doing code snippets, especially for like a bigger plugin or a bigger, just basically a plugin or whatnot, or feature, you can have like 10 different codes for one feature. So you start to get, your snippets start to build up and you get a lot of codes, piling up. So I was like, man, we gotta do something. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and turn some of the stuff I have into actual WordPress plugins, and that way, hopefully other devs and developers and website builders can find this useful and actually use these tools that I actually use. So yes, my project, guys, is QBChat, QBChat.com. It is a social media platform basically for crypto and delivering Solana plugin tools to devs. Basically, what I'm doing, I've actually dropped a coin. We have a native mascot coin, which is QB. There is an app actually on the way, which will be out early 2026. The platform is hot right now. The coin, we got the Twitter, we got everything going. And I use actually the plugins that I'm going to share with you today. I actually use on the inside of QBChat, so you guys can come and test them out. Especially the 3 plugins that I'm actually going to offer you today. They work great inside of QBChat. The users love them. The users use them. So what's great about the plugins is today I'm actually offering these 3 plugins that I have that I turned into WordPress plugins to you guys. Okay, so you guys can come over here to QBChat, check them out, and actually you can come right over here to right down here. If you go to Market Oracle, Signal Lab, the wallet tracker, you can sign up to QBChat and it's free, guys. So you guys can come and see these plugins live in action, but you're also going to be able to purchase these plugins today. Okay, these plugins are not on the WordPress repository. I have created these plugins myself. I'm actually offering the white label rights where you guys can actually install them on your clients' WordPress sites or your guys' WordPress site. And the tools are very, very useful. Like I said, I use them for QBChat all the time. So we'll go over here. Let's go to just the memes and I'll show you exactly. This is one of the plugins right here. So we got the memes. It has the 24-hour, 6-hour, 1-hour, 5-minute, and the watch list. So users can have watch lists. The users can actually react and comment on the coins. And then the AI actually takes real-time data, what the AI has learned and what the community thinks about the coin, and actually will score and give it there's a ranking system. So you can see the AI ranks it up here in the corner. And if you click right and you can see how beautiful the cards are. It's very beautiful on mobile as well. So let's check out a coin. So right here, and then you can search. And like I said, users have watch lists, which they'll be able to add the coins to the watch list on the coins detail page, which we'll check out this Spesh coin right now. We'll click on it, go to the detail page, guys. I have Deck Screener built in to into the plugin itself on the coin's detail page, so you can check the charts, you can see the real-time live buys, and also you can connect your wallet through Deck Screener on your own website and actually purchase or buy or sell the coin. Okay, so, and like I said, guys, you're going to get access to this today. I'll leave a link in the description of this video to where you can get a discounted access to the plugins today. Okay, so we got the bubble maps connected to it. So once you click on the bubble map right from the coin's detail page, you can see exactly what's going on your own website, guys. Okay, how cool is this? Got the bubble maps going up. It pops up in the modal. We got the rug checker that'll pop up. The individual rug checker, dangerous. 80 out of 100 saying this. Why is it saying this? Creator history of rug tokens. Okay, so it's flagging. The rug checker is flagging that this coin is dangerous right here. We're going to take this over to Signal Lab here in a second so we can actually check out. But down here at the bottom, users, here, I'm going to go ahead. I might just go ahead and just click on that just to flag it because it says, right? So this is how it works in the AI. Like the users can add comments, and what AI will do, it will take the negative and positive comments and consider those while it's scoring the actual coin. Okay, and the longer you have these plugins installed on your website, it learns and it makes better predictions and it ranks better. Okay, so the longer all three of these plugins are on your website, it actually learns from its own predictions. It watches the market. It starts to learn trends, and it'll gradually get better and better over time at predicting better coins and what coins are going to rug from which ones are better. Okay, so you can open up the buy your Phantom wallet straight from the coin's detail page, add to watch list right there. Okay, and then we have the Signal Lab and the Market Oracle tied directly in. It's 3 plugins, guys. So basically I'm going to take you over to the before we go any further, I'm gonna go ahead and take you over to the Solana plugin suite, which you'll be coming to if you decide that you're interested in these plugins and using these plugins. So they are $249 a piece for all 3 plugins, but I do have a bundle pack. You can get these single, and they do work by themselves, but I highly recommend having all 3 of them on your website because they all link to each other and they all work together flawlessly. And it's just awesome. And you guys can come over here and check them out before you purchase. But so the 3 plugins are Solana Meme Finder plugin, the Signal Lab AI token scanner, and the Market Oracle Solana crypto plugin. Okay, the Market Oracle tells you trends of the overall market, like the fear and greed index, alt season meter, what is it, Ethereum dominance, and then and Bitcoin dominance, and then it also gives you an AI analyst of the market within 90 days, and then it gives you coins down at the bottom of it, which it'll tell you if to consider buying now or hold or avoid. So it's pretty cool. And all 3 of these linking together. And Signal Lab is just a beast because it shows you everything about the coin. Like, so, but having all 3 of them is I highly recommend them. I recommend it. I use it on QB Chat and they work great for me, guys. And what's cool about it, guys, once you purchase, you're going to get access to a chat room here on QB Chat for each single plugin that you'll be able to get lifetime updates, upgrades. We discuss things we want to implement into the plugins, and this is where you'll get the updated versions of the plugins because I share the zip files directly in the chat room. So when you purchase today, guys, you get access to all this lifetime. It's a one-time fee, and you get the plugins. You can install them on your clients' websites. You can use them on as many unlimited websites as you want to. Plus, you get access to the chat rooms where I'm in the chat rooms helping you. If you need any help with setup or anything like that, or if you have any type of issues, I'll be right there in the chat room answering any type of questions. And you also, that's where I'll be dropping the updated zip files inside of the chat room. So you get all of that, and you got, and that's just, it's secure, guys. You guys basically have a business in the box. You guys can sell this and use it on your own WordPress websites. And to be honest, guys, it's, as crypto gets more and more adopted, this niche is really going to skyrocket. You know what I'm saying? So right now we're early, especially when it comes to Solana crypto WordPress plugins. Like there's hardly nobody doing this. So you can actually offer this to your clients or sell this or create a video about it or write an article about it and easily get it to rank because there's very, very little competition on this niche, which is Solana, you know, the Solana crypto WordPress plugins. There's not too many people doing it. So if you get in now, get access to these plugins, you got access to unlimited updates and help. You guys can actually offer this to your clients as well, you know, and you can make some money on the side. So, and then use it because it's great. But let's go ahead and go back. Let's go check out, we'll check out Market Oracle real quick so you can see how that looks. And all this works great on, what's the matter? Oh, the screen recorder is kind of acting funny. But anyways, all of this, let's see, here is the Market Oracle. So right now it's talking about accumulation. It'll say different sayings up here. The confidence is at 16%, which is not really good. Bitcoin status right now is at 88,000, way down from its all-time high. So the fear and greed index is down to 21 right now. There's extreme fear in the market. Okay, alt season meter is sitting at 43 out of 100. So Bitcoin dominance is up 56% and Ethereum dominance is at 12%. So we need this meter to go all the way over before we even hit alt season. So definitely we are not in alt season right now. Risk assessment is pretty low. Fear phase 21. And then if you click right here, you'll get the QB analyst, which on my website, it's QB chat. So that's the brand, but you are able to change this logo and change it to just market analyst or whatever you want this to be changed as. All right. And then it's going to give you a recommended strategy. It's telling me right now to be patient. Phase lasts 3 to 6 months. And if we actually click on the QB analyst, it'll give us a 90-day analyst of the entire market and what it thinks. Okay. And then right here, you can load more coins down here and it's going to tell you to consider buys or holds or avoids right here. Almost no liquidity. It's going to show you coins that are rugging right here. Avoid, almost no liquidity. Avoid, consider buy. And if you click on one of the consider buys, it's going to take you basically over to the meme finder plugin. All right, so this goes back. That's why I say they all connect, because you can click on certain things on each plugin that'll connect you to one of the other plugins. And then we're back over here on the coins detail page where we can comment. And down here, actually in your admin section, you do have admin options as well. You have a QB pick section or an admin pick section in your case. And you also have a community pick section. So when the users of your website start engaging with the coins, they'll show up in the community picks ranked. So if users really like a certain coin, it'll be listed at the top in the community picks because all the users are liking it, or you know what I'm saying? So that's another cool feature with the plugin, or with all the plugins. So now we're going to take this coin over to Signal Lab so you guys can see. And all these pages, your watch list, community picks, admin picks, Signal Lab, Market Oracle, and the memes all can be on separate pages with short codes. Okay, so we're going to take this particular token over to Signal Lab just so you can see what Signal Lab looks like. So here goes Signal Lab right here. And you can have this widget in a sidebar or on just a page. I recommend a regular page because it's going to open to a full screen page, really. So I would recommend putting this on the page, but right here. Then you got the Signal Lab. It's going to give you the entire, everything, all the details they can possibly get about this coin. All right. And it's going to rank this coin, and it's going to give you a safety score, a hype and momentum score, your track record right here. The longer you have this thing running on your website, it will grow and get better and better to where its track record is up, 70, 80, 90%. All right. So I'm still got a ways to go, obviously, but it's okay. It will get there. And right here it's saying this coin is a Jeep playground. You see what I'm saying? The liquidity is 25,000. The DEX has been paid. It's 3 days old. It shows the top holders, the top 10 holders percentage. If there's any whales in there, the holder quality, which is 100%, which is really good. The rug check is implemented in there. Go plus security is implemented in there. The holder count. And then over here, the QB breakdown or whatever your brand is, this actually gets smarter and it records these predictions over here. And in time, it'll be able to judge coins whole lot better as the more and more scans it reads and predicts, the better it gets, if that makes any sense. So basically what this QB's call is given the moderate safety score and low hype score, as well as the recent significant price drop, the token is likely to move sideways in the short term. And then down here at the bottom, the final thoughts based on current data, investment in this token carries moderate risk. While there are some positive aspects such as locked liquidity and creators selling all the tokens, which the creator did sell all the tokens, you can see that right over there. The recent price drop and how hype score are concerning. Would advise caution and close monitoring of the token's performance. All right. So it's just advising caution right now. So, and what else is cool, guys, is that you up here, you can put in any address, or you can even just type in a coin's name. Let's go check out QB coin real quick. And right here, it'll pop up just the coin that it's saying that you're looking at. Okay. And then basically you can have Signal Lab on, like I do here on QB Chat. I have it as a, on the page too, but then on the coin details page, you have the link. And when you click on that link, it automatically fills in the address and scans for that particular coin. So that's pretty cool too. Guys, what else you get over here at QB Chat? I'm going to be, creating, building, and developing a lot of tools in this space for Solana, as far as like WordPress and codes and, the whole whatnot. So if you're interested in having a place where you can get access to cool plugins that aren't really out there on the market, or out there on WordPress repository, you can come here to QB Chat. I'm going to be actually putting out more coins or not coins, but well, I'm actually going to be putting out more coins as well. If you're just into crypto overall and you invest in the meme coins and you build websites and stuff like that, this is a great place for you. I'm going to be dropping more coins in the QBverse that are tied and linked to the platform. Everybody earns snacks on QB Snack or QB Chat for just engaging with the website, like liking, sharing, creating blog posts, creating posts in your feed, uploading pictures. You earn QB snacks, which can be redeemed for the real QB coin. Okay, and then we will be dropping a series of coins that are inside the QBverse that will all have locked wallets, that will all be redeemable through QB Snacks. So the more snacks you earn, you'll be able to trade your snacks out for any one of these coins that are on the market. Okay, that's how I have it set up here on QB Chat. So yeah, guys, so let me take you over to the Solana plugin suite page. So basically this is what you're getting today, guys. The Solana meme finder plugin, the Signal Lab AI token scanner, the Market Oracle Solana crypto plugin. Now, individually, these are $250 a piece, but there is a way that you can get discounted. So what you'll have to do, basically, if you just want to go through and get one of them, you'll have to come over here, click the get plugin, go down to the bottom of the page. It's going to pop up a little screen and it'll tell you to buy snacks. So you'll have to buy some snacks to unlock the plugin that you want. Now, if you want to get the bundle, which is all three of the plugins, you can get that for $497 instead of having to pay $750 for all three plugins. All right, so you can get it for $497. This unlocks the three plugins, unlimited lifetime updates. You get access to the chat rooms where I can go live with you to help you out if need be. I can do video I can share video and screen on the inside of these chat rooms just to show people what we're going to be doing, what we're implementing inside, like in the plugins in the future. Like it's pretty cool, guys, what we can do on the inside of QB Chat as far as inside of the chat rooms and having everybody in the chat room, and I can share my screen and everybody can see what I'm doing, what I'm working on, like that. And that's what we do over here in these chat rooms inside of QB Chat. So if you're interested in having Solana plugins, because also, guys, what I'm coming out with too is like the wallet tracker, guys, right here. This I haven't even dropped on the market yet, or haven't even put out yet, but you're also going to be able over here on QB Chat as a user, and it's all free to come to QB Chat. You're not paying for anything on QB Chat to use any of these tools, but there is a wallet tracker over here, and it is a WordPress plugin, guys. So I will be having this out as well real soon. And just for coming over here to QB Chat, you'll have access to this plugin, okay? When other people won't on the market, is what I'm saying. So you're going to have access to this, and this thing is pretty cool. It keeps track of all the sales and buys in real time. Like last time this guy sold 3 hours ago. Let's check what this guy done. This guy sold something 3 hours ago. Let's see what this guy's done. So these guys aren't really active. Been about an hour ago since he's bought something tough. And I mean, these are other plugins that I will be coming out with, guys, and they're all based around Solana. Like this is a wallet tracker for Solana. Like you can go to, KOL scan and get some of those big Solana meme coin traders, get their wallet addresses, and you can actually implement this right here on your WordPress website by installing this plugin. Okay, so if this is something, I haven't dropped this plugin yet, but if you're interested in it, I will be dropping it real soon. And it's pretty cool, guys, because it links actually back in with the other 3 plugins as well in the Solana plugin suite. So like I can click on these and it'll take me directly to the coin details page, because that's how I have it implemented. So if you already have access to the other 3 plugins, then this plugin, when I drop this, it's going to implement right into the plugins as well. And it'll actually be added to the Solana suite package. All right. So let's go check. We'll click on that right now and you'll see it'll take us, wow, directly to the coin page. All right. Directly from the wallet that you're tracking. So you could track, good traders' wallets. Boom, click on there, get the info that you want to get about it, check the bubble maps real quick. Boom, click open your Phantom wallet, buy it, or actually come right here if you're on desktop. Go straight to have your wallet already connected, and you can buy and sell straight through Deck Screener right from your WordPress website. So, man, if you guys are interested in Solana crypto WordPress plugins, this is the spot to be, guys. QB Chat. We doing it big over here, man. We got the QB coin out there on the market. If you're interested in buying and selling meme coins on Solana, I highly recommend you guys go get you a little bit of QB coin. Hold on to it because it's going to blow. I got 100 million QB coin. I am the dev. I have 100 million QB coin locked for 3 years, guys. And when that unlocks, it's going all back into the platform. The money, everything is going back into the platform and to the users. They'll be able to, whatever QB snacks you guys have, you'll be able to redeem them for all that. And I'll be doing, contests and just giving out rewards. All that is going directly back into the platform. None is going to the dev at all. So I look forward to that in 3 years, especially when this thing grows and it really blows. I hope to see you guys there. I hope you guys are with me. But this is QB Chat, guys. Check me out on Twitter or X. I still call it Twitter, but check me out on Twitter. Check me out on X. Check out our communities on there. We do have the QB Chat on Instagram and on YouTube. You're not actually seeing this on the official QB Chat YouTube channel, but we do have that. And I'll leave all these links in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing the coin if you're interested in actually becoming a partner to the project, you guys can easily sign up to QB Chat and hit me up. I'm QB on QB Chat, so just hit me up inside. We can have personal chats, video chats, audio chats, just all type of chats. That's why we call it QB Chat, and we can do anything inside of these chat rooms and these groups. Okay, so yeah, if you guys are interested, you guys want to stay linked with me, because I will be creating basically a shit ton of awesome plugins. Man, I got other plugins, guys, that I want to show you, but I'll show you more on the inside of QB Chat. You can get inside. I'll have actually a group. I'll probably end up creating a group to let you know what everything I'm working on and what kind of plugins I'll be coming out with next and adding to the Solana plugin suite. Okay, so if you guys if you're interested in that, I highly recommend just come join in QB Chat. It's totally free to sign up. There's no ads or nothing. You ain't got to worry about none of that garbage. It's a cool platform, a cool community. We got people over here. We got hundreds of people over here already right now. So come check us out. Come check out the main chat, which is QB Chat, and that's really about the coin. But yeah, guys, if you guys are interested in Solana crypto WordPress plugins, I highly recommend sticking with me, joining QB Chat, unlocking the chat rooms, downloading the bundle. You get that instantly as soon as you guys purchase. You get that instantly, and then you're always going to have help. You'll get inside the chat rooms with me. I'll be able to help you install them or do whatever you want me to do, or even take suggestions if we want to change something or help you mold it into your website or however you need it. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, because when I was searching, I couldn't find hardly nothing on Solana crypto plugins. I just couldn't. There was nothing really out there. There's a few, but not much. Maybe a widget that showed Solana's price or something, but not really detailed like these are, and the ones that I'm doing, the plugins that I'm creating. So I hope this video finds you, and I hope this gets you in the direction where you want to go with your business or your website or whatnot. And guys, like I said, you can actually earn money off of these plugins just by reselling them. So it's a good investment, if you're going to use them for yourself and your clients or whatnot. People are going to be looking for this, and people are searching for this. That's the reason why you're actually on this video right now, because you were searching for it. So I was searching for it. So I decided to provide a solution. So here's a solution. Hope to see you at QB Chat. Peace.